Hey guys, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude here with a single mini action dino unboxing. That's right, we'll be literally looking at one mini action dino, and that's fine. This is one of the last ones I needed for Series 2, I think, and I found it at a local store in Edmonton, I think in the mall, and this one is the Metriacanthosaurus. I think it's BE is the code number that you define it by. And we'll be taking a look at this figure and how cool it is. I'm recording this with my phone, so I'm doing this one-handed. So wish me luck as we just kind of open this up. And yes, it is. Look at this beauty. Absolutely stunning. Oh, it's pretty hard. Usually these figures are a little bit softer, but it seems like this one's kind of lost that. The legs are still bendy and the arms are still bendy. That's good. So this guy's pretty cool. I think it stands on its own, or not. No, it's got a warped leg. That's okay. In one of my last videos, I had a Rex with, I think one of its legs was pointing completely forward, so that was a little sad. The detail on this figure is pretty nice, and it's one of those like slightly obscure species, though it was featured in the first Jurassic Park movie as one of the dinosaurs meant to be in the park. It was in park posters and the dinoivals, I think. But yeah, it's cool to see it in minifigure form. I couldn't actually remember if I had this one or not, so I decided to pick it up. From what I remember, I did not have it. So, win! Yay, I completed a lineup. So hope you guys enjoyed this really small unboxing review, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.